Friends, hello everyone. It is a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can install WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write your comments and subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to today's topic. And first of all, to download or install WhatsApp, you'll need another app. It's called the App Store. This is an app store where you can download absolutely any app. If you don't find the App Store on your desktop screen, like I do, then you have to swipe down from the top. And in the search box, you'll just need to type in the word App Store. And as you can see, this app appears at the top. You don't have to worry. You will definitely have it because this app is installed by default on all iPhones. It's a factory app. So, click on it to open it. Farther down at the bottom, on the right side, tap on the magnifying glass sign. And now at the top in the search box, you see the word WhatsApp. Next, friends, click on the WhatsApp app. And you'll have the word download or you'll have the word install right here. Click on it and wait for this app to completely install on your phone. This download takes literally 1 to 2 minutes maximum. You will also be able to track the download process in the App Store application because there will be a column that will fill up little by little. And you will see that less and less time is left for installation, and it should be written to you the time, approximately how long it will take to download. Let's say 1 minute, 30 seconds, and so on. Once this app is installed, you can easily open it either from the App Store itself. If you log out, you can find WhatsApp on your iPhone's work screen. And then you can open it, sign up for WhatsApp, and use it from there. That's how it is, friends. You will be able to install WhatsApp app on your iPhone in your suite. I hope this video has helped you and that it has been useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.